Hi there. This is my realistic 413 CB radio from the 1980s, and I want to put it back in my truck, but I think I've got something a little special to show you, and we'll have to see. It's difficult to find mounting solutions for a Dodge Ram 1500. They're all basically fender mounts and or maybe box mounts, but I have a tonneau cover, so it makes things a little more difficult. So this might be a base station in the future, and I'll get started with what I'm going to show you next. So here's my President McKinley, my new radio, and I'm putting in the truck with a CoolTech Ram Ultra mount, and I'll show you how that goes together. It's a pretty neat setup, and the President McKinley, it's got a SSB, upper and lower sideband, and AM as well, 40 channel. So pretty excited to show you this, because the Rams have difficult mounting, and a lot of people don't get very good SWRs, standing wave ratios, and I'm getting a 1.0 to 1, so we'll show you. So this is my Ram Ultra mount by CoolTech. Comes with a mount, you can see right there, you just cut the rubber. Comes with a Firefly, Firestik Firefly, 36-inch, and the wiring, the cable, Coax. It's not the best Coax, but I'm getting, like I said, a 1-to-1 ratio on channel 19. So here's the radio, working good. There's the CoolTech Ultra mount, and that comes from California. So we have a Workman 2030 CB mount, and I just used a floor tile, a rubber floor tile flipped upside down, and it's bolted down underneath the seat, and it's wedged under the plastic in the dash. And this is for my GPS here. The power actually goes to the battery. So there's the radio, the McKinley, President McKinley, and this is my call signs from Charlie Tango 029, from Charlie Tango, a UK-based website that does call signs for the CB. Because you can't get a call sign for the CB anymore unless you've pre-registered from like the 70s and the 80s from the CRTC. So it's a worldwide database of people who have call signs in the Charlie Tango. So there's the Workman. It's very simple, 4 bolts. It pivots and it tilts. It pivots this way. It tilts up and down. Quite solid. Here's my radio, just to prove that I have a SWR of 1-to-1. .0 to 1, and that's on channel 19. Channel 40, it's about 2.0 to 1, and on channel 1, it's about 2.0 to 1. So this antenna is tuned perfectly for the CB band. So I'll just turn it off. Like I said, it's connected straight to the battery. It's a great little setup. And I use the coin holder for my mount for the microphone. It's just a rubber piece. It just fits on there perfect. So I still have the mount. I may screw it to the to the truck somewhere, the microphone mount. But I like that. It's a good spot. And like I said, SSB, upper sideband, lower sideband, AM. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I wasn't sure about how to mount a CB in this thing because of, well, there's carpet and there's heating ducts that go underneath this. So this is a good solution. And thanks to CoolTech, not that I'm being paid by them, but thanks to CoolTech for sending me this, because I really like this antenna mount. It's great. It's right there, not too in your face or anything. It's nice and strong, sturdy. And the only thing, you know, it's a Firefly, or sorry, Firestik cable, Coax. It's not the best cable. The actual center core has multiple fibers in it. It's not like cable TV Coax. It's much cheaper than that. But I'm getting a 1-to-1 ratio, so can't beat that. All right, thanks for subscribing and watching my video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks very much.